Hello friends, today's video I will tell you how to get Microsoft certification at 50% cost. For that purpose, you have to come to the Microsoft event website that I will mention in the description also. Once you come into this website, you are getting there are lots of results, the lots of events is there. But every event is not giving you the certification. There are specific certification. In today's video, we are discussing about the certification of security compliance. We are discussing that particular certification, security compliance and identity fundamentals. While you are searching there, you are getting one you are getting one event like say, FIC 25 Microsoft Security Virtual Training, Security Compliance and Identity Fundamentals. So you just click on registration and details. Once you are clicking, then you are coming onto this page. Here they are giving about various regions, and according to that region, this particular certification is there. You have to attend the training for the mentioned date and mentioned time. But before that, you have to register with your first name, last name, email address, your country code. Here is your mobile number, then your job role, your company name, country, and the size of your organization. And I requested you to just add your company email address. If you don't have, then you can add your own email address. No worry. Once you register these things, within 1 week you are now this is in February. So, okay, within 1 or 2 days you are getting the details regarding to this certification. So you attend that particular certification. Once you attend the certification, after that within 1 week you are getting after this completion of this training, you eligible to take the security compliance and identity fundamental certification at 50% cost of the exam price. And got it. So if you are doing this, you are getting if this certification cost, if you are going onto this certification, then this certification is cost up to, we are checking it, we are adding our region, then here is 3691. So approximately 50% means you required only 1800 rupees to complete this particular exam. So I requested you just complete this event. Once you complete the event, then you will get that particular voucher. That is a voucher code which is there. And once you attend that, get the voucher. You just enroll the exam and pass the examination. Okay. If you like the video, just subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you.